Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account without phone number.
Step 1. Clear your Chrome history for all time. Step 2. Go to gmail.com or search Gmail on search bar. Click on Create a Gmail account. Now click on Create an account. Now fill your all details whatever you like. Just fill details. Also create a strong password. Do not copy and paste passwords. Creating a Gmail account without a phone number is difficult if you copy the password. Now you can see recovery Gmail is optional. And you don't need to fill your phone number cause that also optional. Great, you have created Gmail account without a phone number and recovery Gmail. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. By subscribing, you will stay updated with the latest videos and be a part of our growing community. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.